Welcome back to Spy Garage.
If the upcoming 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome lives up to the bold claim that it is the most aggressive electric bull ever built, it will signify a significant change in the market for high-end recreational vehicles. This futuristic vision combines Mercedes-Benz's legendary heritage of luxurious design and mechanical prowess with a revolutionary dedication to electric propulsion and a performance-focused style. The outside design of this aggressive electric bull would surely revolutionize the visual language of motorhomes if it were to become a reality. A dynamic, nearly predatory stance would take the place of the boxy, stoic forms. One may imagine angular lines, a dominant front fascia with Mercedes-Benz's iconic grille, possibly lit and flanked by cutting-edge LED lighting that suggests it is electric. In addition to optimizing range, aerodynamic efficiency would be crucial for creating a muscular, streamlined silhouette. Its electric heart would be quietly highlighted by integrated solar panels, discrete charging outlets, and possibly even active aerodynamic components. Larger, more recognizable wheels, sturdy yet elegant body cladding, and a lower, more performance-focused shape than is customary in this market could all be examples of the aggressive element. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome's interior would be a haven of elegant luxury, reinventing the idea of a rolling palace with a contemporary, performance-driven twist. Expect an exquisite fusion of premium, sustainable materials, including recycled composites, leathers sourced ethically, and ambient lighting that changes according to the time of day and mood, all of which are highly influenced by the interiors of Mercedes-Benz S-Class and EQ vehicles. The layout would be carefully planned for maximum comfort and usefulness, maybe including a multi-zone living area that can be used for work, dining, or leisure. Standard features would include a serene master suite, a spa-like bathroom, and a cutting-edge gourmet kitchen. Ergonomic, supportive seating, and a driver-focused cockpit with large digital screens and user-friendly haptic controls could be subtle examples of the aggressive edge. But its electric drivetrain would be the real breakthrough. In order to be referred to as the most aggressive electric bull, it would need to have a significant range, possibly more than 600 to 700 kilometers on a single charge, as well as thrilling acceleration and strong power delivery appropriate for a car of this size. A multi-motor configuration might accomplish this, offering sophisticated torque vectoring and adaptive all-wheel drive for better handling and stability, even on difficult terrain. Utilizing cutting-edge battery technology, ultra-rapid charging capabilities would be crucial to reducing downtime. Additionally, automated driving would probably be a key feature. Mercedes-Benz Drive Pilot system might be modified for use in motorhomes, allowing hands-free driving under the right circumstances. Long trips would become effortless travel experiences as a result. The term aggressive would also apply to its technological capabilities, which includes biometric security, advanced connectivity, and a custom telematics system that provides extensive control and monitoring. In conclusion, the fictitious 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, billed as the most aggressive electric bull ever built, is a daring statement of purpose. It promises to revolutionize the future of high-end leisure travel by combining unmatched luxury, powerful electric mobility, and an assertive design language.